channel. I'm vlogmas. I'm looking at my face, it's dirty. 21st. Oh, my stomach's cramping. Yes, I'm moaning. No, I don't care. Right a minute. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, that's actually cute. I've got a haircut, sorry. I'm moaning because it's that time of the month. Decided this is going to be a 2-day vlog. I don't film that much today. I'm not going to film that much tomorrow either. There's going to be 2 days in one. I might even try to do a 3-day one because of it. Or 4 days. I'm not sure how long it'll be though. Welcome to the next day of the vlog. So we are going to open my advent calendar. Yes, I'm getting brushed out of the house. No, I don't care. Wait, what is it? I've just broken it. Have a great. It's got a sticker for some odd reason. I've got this.
We watch the sun.
We've arrived after 5 hours in the car. We are in Sheffield now, thank the Lord, because I thought I was at one point gonna like faint, but it's fine. And we went in jacuzzi, however, I don't know how it's pronounced, but we had a bit of a bedroom argument. And I'm having a panic because I've lost a charger. So somebody's nicked the charger off me. So I'm panicking. And so I was getting a bit stressed earlier. Like, oh no, somebody taking my charger. But I know they haven't. It's just me being really stressed that they have. They actually haven't taken it off me. I think they have. So it's fine. We all arrived in one piece as well. So thank the Lord for that. I'm going to spend a lot of time with my phone, so that's why I'm filming this clip over here right now. So I don't have to worry about picking it up later. And there's a little bit of a conversation going on there. Yeah, you heard that right. I don't know what it's on about, what they're talking about though. But it's fine, I know it's fine. But this door's wooden too, so yeah, how very lovely. The door's wooden. And somebody's coming out, I don't know who it is. So I'm stressing now that they've come to like annoy me, if you know what I mean. But I still think that they haven't, they just come up, I think. To see her though. But I'm not actually that sure. And then you can just upload it. It's like I didn't upload it yesterday. I sort of did something bad by doing that. So that's why it's this long clip is coming. And it's very, very windy out there, so ignore that noise. To be fair, we are up north though, so what do you expect if you're up north? Lots of wind. A lot of wind and a lot of stuff. So, don't actually know what I'm moaning about with this. If I'm up north, I should be complaining about the wind. Just saying. Honestly, shouldn't be. If I'm up north, I shouldn't be moaning about the wind and stuff, because it's not good to moan about the wind when it's like, especially if you're up north, you shouldn't moan about it. It's 1 o'clock right now, or am I telling lies? Oh no, it is actually 1 o'clock. I'm not telling rumours. And I was chilling earlier. I'm watching Luke, and it's really windy. So it's great. That's great. I'm exhausted. That's great too. I'm being sarcastic about the tired part. That we woke up at 5:30. Like 5:15 in the morning, and I couldn't go to the toilet, so I was too stressed. And might have been a bit too much information, but never mind. Everyone needs a little bit of too much information, just saying. It's fine to have a little bit much information. And my nose is running. How very, very lovely is that? It's not fun up north either. So if you ever want to go up north, just consider that it might be very, very windy. I will show you in once I film in this clip, I will show you what I'm on about. And I promise I will, and I'm not actually going to do what I did last time where I didn't actually end up showing you. The only other issue is my phone's charging, so yeah, and I've got like, as you can see there, in my hair, like I've got like cradle cap, and it's like really annoying, so I keep scratching at my head that I shouldn't be doing. I know. But Yakuza got was bashing to, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'll write on the screen for you how to pronounce it. The names, my dad and my brother came up with that name, and I don't know how to pronounce it, the pronunciation. I had some lunch, I had like a roll, and it was like half a roll, and I'm still hungry. I don't know if it's because I'm greedy, because I just had only torsades for breakfast, so I'm not sure, to be quite honest with you. And there's hair in my mouth. How very lovely is that? I can't get it out either. It's quite annoying. It's annoying me. Two. I can't get hair in my mouth, so that's a big thumbs up too. And I'm not actually joking, that is actually a thumbs up, not being able to get hair in your mouth. I might be joking about that, but actually it isn't a thumbs up, it's actually a thumb stand trying to get hair out of your mouth. So yeah, really. I've got long left now. Yay, we've got how long? Today's the 20, hold on a second. Tomorrow's the 23rd. Let's say 24th. We've got 2 more days of Vlogmas left. And then I can post every weekend if I want to. And it won't be so much hard work for me for another year or so. Most day we just travelled. So if you saw that time lapse I did, and then I didn't do another one because I know it'd be quite boring, because you're in a car for about 5 hours straight. And it's so windy, and it's like, that scared me. Somebody keeps making noise, and it's so windy. And like, I wish you house tour, but I don't particularly want to. It's so awful out there. I'll show you what I'm on about in a minute. Or when I finish this clip, like I said earlier, I'll show you what I'm on about. And yeah. I don't want to turn into a 3-day one now, so that's why I'm doing this really long clip over here. And yeah, tomorrow there's probably not going to be that much footage from me either, because yeah, more family time. So I'm going to try and download an old video from a year ago yesterday, I guess, if I can, because it's really, I've been really struggling to do that recently. I know from a year ago tomorrow I'll download it, and then I can put it in a video after the advent bit, if you know what I mean. The carpet I think might be the same as my bedroom carpet, but I'm not 1,000% sure, to be honest with you. And look how dry my lips are, like they're awfully dry. You see that? There's somebody's coughing, lovely. They're just so dry. And all you can hear is cough, cough, cough. It's so like annoying when somebody starts coughing all of a sudden and you're in the middle of doing something. It's so irritating. But I know it's fine, I just need to get it out. But and then just a skin tag, if any of you are wondering what that's on my eye. Yeah, it's a skin tag. I'm trying to leave it alone because, oh my, people keep coughing. And so I'm trying to leave the skin tag alone, but it's a struggle to leave alone a skin tag. I cannot lie to you about that. And I am sitting on the floor right now, filming this because my phone's on a cable. I don't particularly want to take it off, so that's the other reason why I'm sitting here filming on the floor, because this is on a cable. I don't want to take it off. What's the time actually? Hold on, 6 minutes to 1. And we are tomorrow. I don't know what our plans are for, but we're not going out to a curry house. Christmas Day 2019. Yes, I was just checking my phone. Hold on a minute. And Christmas Day 2019, we were still living in our old house. I can't speak today. Yeah, our old house. And Christmas 2020, we just moved into our new house. It was actually great to move into. It took us like, I think we might just be moving in, you know, and then last year, 3 years ago today, we might just be moving in, or 3 years ago, a couple of days ago, we might just be moving in. And then, I won't go back to 3 years ago, but the issue is it's not on this channel, it's on the other vlog channel that I decided to delete last year, that I am actually regretting now, because, one, I'll never be able to get the video back, and 2, I'm annoyed, 3, I think the memory card's broken, and 4, somebody's coughing once again. How very lovely, I'm being sarcastic again. You're going to always hear coughing in the background, I'm sorry about that. But it's totally fine with me if I'm going to hear that in the background. And then it's going to be fine with me if I hear that in the background a lot. And then now the tap's getting turned on. How many times am I going to be interrupted? Too many, it feels like. I've been interrupted too many times already, and I'm currently in the middle of recording. It's so irritating when you get interrupted, and it's like it's so frustrating. I cannot tell you how annoying it is when you get interrupted. It's so annoying, it frustrates me. And once I finish this clip, I will show you how windy it is and what I wanted about earlier in the clip. And I actually can't lie, I feel a bit sick, how tired I am. And then no conversations basically in the background, so that's great too. Today I got some Miggle pencil. I think you probably saw that because I showed you it, but now I can't actually remember. Now somebody's thudding up. I'm just trying to keep that door closed at all costs, and that is very annoying because now you can hear the dog's collar and everything. That's what I'm on about, like, it's Really, really windy, really, really wet. It's really, really, really windy and really, really, really wet out there. If you do enjoy going fishing, there's links down there, and I'll see you all at 8 PM tomorrow. Bye.